Hey everyone, today I will guide you through the essential process of setting up YouTube ads conversion tracking. Whether you are new to YouTube advertising or need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you get started. Step number 1. Understanding conversion tracking. First, let us lay the foundation. What exactly is conversion tracking? In a nutshell, it is about monitoring your customers' action as they interact with your business. When it comes to YouTube ads, a conversion is an action a customer takes after seeing your ad. These actions can vary depending on your business and objectives, but the core concept remains the same. Step number 2. Accessing YouTube conversion tracking. Now, let's get practical. To set up conversion tracking on YouTube, follow these steps. Log into your YouTube Ads account. Click on Tools and Settings and select Conversions. This is where you will manage and create your conversion actions. Step number 3. Creating conversion actions. The next step is to create conversion actions. These actions define what you want to track. Let us look at two common scenarios. E-commerce conversion action. Click New Conversion Action. Name it. Example given, Sales from Promo. Select Purchase as the category. Assign a value, the product price. Set the counting method to every to track multiple conversions per user. Lead Generation Conversion Action. Click Create Conversion Action. Name it. Example given, Lead Submission. Select the appropriate category. Assign a value, the estimated lead value. Set the counting method based on your goals. Example given, 1 conversion per ad click. Step number 4. Installing tracking code. Once you have created your conversion actions, you will need to install the tracking code on your website. This code helps YouTube track user actions. Here is how to do it. Click Setup with Google Tag. Here, we do not have a Google Tag installed, so we will just install it manually. Click Setup, then Show More options below. Install with CMS or Website Builder. Hit Next. Select your platform. Add the URL of your platform. Example, we put Wix.com. Then hit Scan. Or scroll down below and click on Wix. Your tag ID will then appear below together with the instruction on putting the tag ID to the website. After that, hit Test Installation. It is important to place the tag correctly to ensure accurate tracking. Step number 5. Testing and troubleshooting. After installing the tracking code, test your setup to make sure it is working as intended. This might involve making a test purchase or submitting a lead form. If something isn't tracking correctly, use the Tag Assistant browser extension to troubleshoot and identify issues. Congratulations! You have successfully set up YouTube Ads conversion tracking. This valuable tool will provide insights into the performance of your ads and help you optimize your marketing efforts. Remember to regularly review and adjust your conversion actions to align with your business goals. That is for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to launch your first YouTube ads campaign. Thank you for watching, and I will see you onto the next one.